Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet, a powerful and easy to use tool for creating digital flashcards. It's especially useful in English as a foreign language classrooms for vocabulary building and active recall practice. So first, I would like to give you some information about Quizlet. Alright, so what is Quizlet? Well, it is a free online tool for flashcards and quizzes, and it is also great for vocabulary and language practice. It is useful for learners at all levels and is web-based and mobile-friendly. We have some modes when we let students study on Quizlet. So first, it provides flashcards to flip and memorize. The second one is learn for smart study with feedback. Then we have match and gravity, gamify learning. And finally, we have test, auto-generated tests for students. Okay, so now we come to how to create a study set. Okay, so here we have Quizlet website. In order to create a new vocabulary set, we click this one to create a new one, and then we choose flashcard set. Alright, for example, today the topic is about education, and it is for IELTS course. The label is intermediate. Then we'll start with our term. The first term is, let's see, it is literacy. So literacy, the definition here, they suggest the ability to read and write. And then we choose an image. They also recommend a lot of images for us to choose. Okay, so we're done with the first term. The second term is schooling. Okay. Then the definition is formal instruction under the direction of specially trained teacher. And then we have the image. Okay, here. Number 3, it is tertiary education. The definition is education at university or college level. Then we also choose an image. Yeah. Okay. You just need to complete a vocabulary set. So now I will click into create and practice. Okay, we choose memorize it all, and the level is hard, and then we start to learn. So the first one, with ability to read and write, the word would be literacy. The second one, formal instructions, so it is schooling. And education at university level, it is tertiary education. And so that's my demonstration for using Quizlet to create vocabulary set. You can use them to teach students in class, or you can use them as homework. Now let's move to some discussion about Quizlet So by using Quizlet, we can provide fun and interactive learning for students. It also encourages independent study and support a lot of repetition or practice for students. And actually, teacher can use Quizlet to track students' progress through our accounts. However, Quizlet also has some limitations, like some features are paid only and is really limited in improving students' speaking and writing, so it's necessary to combine with other class activities. And some students may need guidance to use effectively because they are not really familiar with this website. So that is my demonstration and introduction about Quizlet. Thank you so much for your attention.